Welcome to Tableau Mastery, from data connection to career success. This comprehensive video is your guide to data visualization, dashboard design, and professional development using Tableau. This video covers 6 main modules: data connection and preparation, visualization fundamentals, interactive elements, design and layout, practical applications, and career development. Section 01 focuses on data connection and preparation. You will master connecting to real business data, cleaning it and structuring it, forming the foundation for effective data visualization. We explore connecting real business data, including different source types like Excel and databases. Understanding rows, columns, and data types is crucial. We also cover the difference between live and extract connections. Common errors in data connection include wrong date formats, duplicate records, and wrong aggregation. Remember this key takeaway: a clean connection equals a clean dashboard. Data cleaning and preparation are vital because bad data leads to wrong insights and loss of trust. Common tasks include renaming fields, handling nulls, formatting dates, grouping and splitting data. Avoid mistakes like ignoring nulls and over-cleaning your data. The core takeaway here is that clean data leads to confident dashboards. Section 02 is visualization fundamentals. You will master the art of data visualization through comparison charts, trend analysis, and KPI visuals. Comparison charts are essential for comparing products, regions, or time. Use bar charts for categorical comparisons and line charts for trends, growth, and decline over time. Common chart mistakes include choosing the wrong chart type or using too many colors. The key takeaway is simple: the right chart provides a clear answer. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are crucial metrics used by management. KPI cards offer a single number focus. Summary tables provide a high-level overview. Management expects clean, clear messages on one screen. When creating KPI visuals, avoid using too many KPIs or providing no context. Remember, less is powerful when it comes to visual communication. Section 03 focuses on interactive elements. Learn to transform static dashboards into dynamic experiences using filters, parameters, and calculated fields. Filters work at the data level, while parameters affect the logic level, offering user-driven control. Calculated fields allow custom logic and business rules. LOD expressions provide control over aggregation, meaning LOD equals control. Avoid overusing parameters, over-engineering calculations, and memorizing LOD expressions without understanding them. Interactivity adds value, simple logic wins, and LOD equals control. Section 04 is about design and layout. Master dashboard UX principles and storytelling techniques to create impactful visualizations. Good design creates a positive first impression and builds trust. Use limited color palettes and clean alignment. Storytelling involves data leading to insight and decision, using interactive actions to flow from summary to detail. Dashboards must speak, and clean dashboards sell skills. Common design mistakes include overcrowding and lacking a clear message. Remember that clean dashboards sell skills, and dashboards must speak to your audience. Section 05 covers practical applications and career development. Apply your skills to real-world projects and prepare for a successful career in data visualization. Apply your knowledge to build sales and HR dashboards. Prepare for interviews by practicing explaining your dashboard's calculations and insights. Your project is proof of skill, and explanation is greater than the tool itself. Here are the key takeaways from the video. Clean connections and data lead to confident dashboards. The right chart provides a clear answer, and less is powerful. Interactivity and simple logic add value, and LOD means control. Finally, skills plus communication equals success. Thank you for completing this video from AJ Academy, where ideas become reality. Contact us for support or visit our website for more information.